So children, let us now see whom Dolly meets ahead.
Suddenly, she heard a sound. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Oh, who are you? I am a flippy frog. I live in the pond. I go hop, hop, hop and never stop. I am a flippy frog. I live in a pond. I go hop, hop, hop and never stop. Oh, my name is Mr. Frog. I come in the rainy season. I am a rainy creature. Oh, is it so? Hello, Mr. Frog. Nice to meet you. The frog told Dolly that would you like to meet some more of my friends? So Dolly told, yes, Frog, I would like to meet your friends. So they went ahead and see whom they met. Who is this? Can you tell me your name? I am Mr. Snail. What's that on your back, Mr. Snail? That's my shell. I live inside my shell, which is like my house. It protects me from any danger. Oh wow! Nice to meet you, Mr. Snail. So, Mr. Froggy told Dolly, let's go and meet another friend. Oh my god, snake, snake. No dear, I am not a snake. I am an earthworm. I am also a rainy creature. I am also called the farmer's friend. Oh, I thought you are a snake. That's why I got scared. No, Dolly, you don't have to be scared. Okay, so let's meet another friend. Wow, who is this? It's so beautiful and colorful. Hello, Dolly. How are you? I am Miss Peacock. I love rainy season. I like to dance with my feathers open when it rains. Wow, so nice to meet you, Miss Peacock. You are so beautiful. Thank you, Dolly. Oh my god, it's become so late. I didn't realize. I should go home now. Nice to meet every one of you. Bye, friends. Okay, bye, Dolly. Have a nice day. So, Dolly rushed back to her house and she told her mama all about her new friends which she had made. And you know what Mama gave Dolly? Mama gave Dolly her favorite hot chocolate milkshake. She loves to have it. And so Dolly enjoyed the milkshake and she enjoyed her day. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.